Nalakip si Engineer Roy Pakaran sang Iloilo City District Engineering Office sa 8 ka mga opisyal sang Department of Public Works and Highways nga gin-relieve sa posisyon. Mismo si DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon ang nag-anunsyo sini kung sa diin ginabugusan ini sang 4 ka regional director kag iban pa nga opisyal samtang padayon nga nagapaidalo mga ini sa investigasyon. Iniya mo Sunday Ronel M. Tan sang Region 1, Jovel G. Mendoza sang Region 4A, Virgilio C. Eduarte sang Region 5, kag Danilo J. Villa sang Region 7 nga lunsay mga regional director. Samtang gin-relieve man sanday Neil C. Farala sang Region 4B kag Ani De La Vega sang Region 5 nga mga assistant regional director. Samtang sabay naman sang district engineers gin-relieve sanday Ruel V. Umali sang Metro Manila 3rd District Engineering Office kag Manny B. Bulusan sang South Manila District Engineering Office. Si Pakanan naman ang nalakip sa mga local officials nga gin-relieve bangod wala nalabot ang qualifications sang Civil Service Commission. Magduwas kay Pakanan, nalakip man diri sanday Cheryl Ann Gonzalez sang La Union 1st District Engineering Office kag Peter Skeller Soco sang Leyte 4th District Engineering Office. Ngalunsay mga officer in charge kung OIC District Engineer.
The relief of 4 regional directors. So there have been, we are officially relieving today for various reasons, no? Specifically because there are ongoing investigations here, which I cannot fully disclose to you. But suffice it to say, we are investigating a lot of people in the department, and officially we are relieving 4 regional directors. We are also relieving assistant regional directors. For all intents, relieving 3 DEs. La Union 1st District Engineering Office, Sherry Lan Gonzalez. Iloilo City DEO, Roy Pakanan. And Leyte 4th District District Engineer, Peter Scheller Soco, because they have not met CSE qualification standards. So we are going to be very, very strict, and I will be releasing in the next few days or weeks, the new requirements, merit requirements for all officials of DPWH, specifically district engineers.